So, hi everyone. In the last class, we had seen about third normal form. That is, what is the condition for third normal form and what are all the things we have to do in order to make a table as a third normalized form. So, third normal form means the table should be already in the second normal form. So, second normal form na the table should be already in the first normal form. First normal form means what? The table should contain an atomic value. So while coming to second normal form, the table should contain atomic value. There should not be any partial dependencies. Third normal form means again the table should contain atomic value. There should not be any partial dependency and also there should not be any transitive dependency. So let's see what is meant by Boyce code normal form. We can tell that BCNF is a stricter version of third normal form that applies to the table with more than one candidate key. You all know what is meant by a candidate key. So BCNF, this Boyce code normal form, requires that that means it requires that each non-trivial dependency in a table is a dependency on candidate key. That means the table should not have any non-trivial dependencies. So what is non-trivial dependency? Where a non-primary key column depends on another non-primary column. So while we taking or while we checking that whether the table is in BCNF means we have to ensure that each table in a database is a separate entity and it eliminates the redundancy. That is, on non-primary key column it should not depends on another non-primary key column. So that is the non-trivial dependency. So in a BCNF we have to eliminate this non-trivial dependency. Say, look at this example. In this table, we are having book ID, title, author ID, author name and nationality of the author. Okay. So, that is the book ID, the title of the book and ID of the book and who wrote those book and where the author belongs to which nation. So, here sample we are having some 3 datas. So, here the author name and so here the primary key is book ID. So here the author name and author nationality column is not transitively dependent on the primary key. So the table is in third normal form. So that means the table is in BCNF. I think, see, look at this example. So the table is in BCNF means each determinant is a candidate key. In other words, we can say that every non-trivial dependency in a given table must be a candidate key. For example, consider a table. So here in the table we are having list of information about the books and their authors. So this is the title. Here I think here the author nationality, it depends on the author name or author ID. So again here occurs a transitive dependency. So for that we can now eliminate or we can divide this table into book ID, title, author ID as one table and again author ID, author name and author nationality as another table. You just divide this table into 2 tables like book ID, title, author ID or book ID and author ID as one table. Again author ID, author name and nationality or otherwise we can make that book ID, book title and author ID, these 3 columns as a single table and author ID, author name and author nationality as another table. So in that case there is no occurrence of transitive dependency. So when you divide like that, the author name and author nationality columns are not transitively dependent on the primary key. They are directly fully functionally dependent on the primary key and hence we can say that the table is in Boyce code normal form. I hope you clear that. Just clearly understand the difference between the third normal form and Boyce code normal form. Third normal form means there should not be any transitive dependency, whereas Boyce code normal form means there should also no partial dependency, no transitive dependency and there should not be any non-trivial functional dependency. So non-trivial functional dependency means that is a subset of the dependent variable cannot be a subset of determinant variable. So that condition should be looked after in the BCNF. So I hope you understand what is BCNF. In the next class we will see about the fourth normal form. Okay, so thank you.